Hello, hi, you're here with Twizzy and this is Twinkle and Twizzy. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe because we're gonna give you a ride. Okay, on this channel, you're gonna be cruising all my days. This video wasn't what I intended it to be. Somehow, I flopped tie-dyeing. So can someone please clap it up in the chat for me? How did I flop tie-dyeing? Let's just say the tie-dye lied to me. The tie-dye lied to me because it was going good. When I was putting it on the top, it was going good. When I was putting it on the jeans, I was like, oh, this is a bit of me. This was, oh. And then it came out. And then it came out. It lied. It literally lied. I have no words. I'm gonna show you what it looks like because it's an utter disappointment. And I don't know if I'm gonna try again. I don't know if I want to try again. I don't know. Just to let you know, the jeans were a tester as well. I didn't actually want to wear the jeans, but if it came out nice, I was gonna be like, oh, it was an old pair of jeans. And now it's gonna just stay as an old pair of jeans. These are the jeans I'm gonna be tie-dyeing, but I absolutely hate the original color because I've worn them out so much. So I'm putting the jeans in bleach so that they can get lighter, I don't know, brighten up or something, because I just don't like this color right now. Okay, so with the jeans, I'm trying to do that half denim, you know, where one side's darker and the other side is lighter. And why did I do this? Oh my gosh, it looks so disgusting. Oh my days. Look how it came out. No. Oh no. Why? Oh, I really thought, I really did think that, this was gonna work. You know what? So I said, okay, cool. Let me save these jeans. Let me save them. So the part where I bleached the most, like almost really light, that part, I was like, okay, I'm gonna tie-dye that part and maybe it could save these jeans. Maybe, you know, it could give these jeans some more life. Oh no, it just gets worse. It just gets worse. Oh god. So yeah, like this is how it turned out. Honestly, okay, like the thing is, it's not too bad. Like I can get the style I'm going for and the aesthetic. I think I just need to make the dye really darker because what happened is I wanted to make unicorn color. So they told me that I need to like lighten it really light, but I think I lightened it too much. And so yeah, but just to double check that I lightened it too much, I'm gonna do a tester. Okay, yeah, so it was me. So I made the dye way too light. I put too much water in the dye. So that's why it came out really washed and just disgusting. So next time I do it, I need to put like more pigment in the bottles. But yeah, but no, if you go back to the video though, it lied to me. Like look, when I was putting the dye in, I thought it was gonna be that bright. What am I doing in this video? Am I not gonna tie-dye socks? If I flop these socks, I'll flop these socks in there. I'll still wear them. But if I flop them, I'll flop them. So you probably recognize these socks from my birthday video. But I'm gonna attempt to tie-dye these nice socks. Not like this because these are already beautiful. We're gonna tie-dye these socks today, these nice socks. I'm probably gonna do it purple. I don't know, let's see what socks I got, but it'll probably be purple. I will put both kits in the description below so you can buy either one, which one you want. This kit does come with the night socks though. It comes with 2 pairs of night socks, so it will be more expensive than the other kit because this just comes with dye, and both of them come with the gloves, rubber bands and bottles. Right, this is my set out. I got the socks, the dye, and now I'm just rolling the socks up so that some parts can be left white. because I wanted like a mixture and stuff of the colour with a bit of white showing. So yeah, I got the purple first. I wanted my socks to be like all purple, but some areas being dark, some areas being light, some areas being like different colours of shades of purple. Yeah, that kind of flopped. Hopefully the blue as well make it like dark purple, but just gonna add the blue and the freaking top stopped working, so I had to improvise. So yeah, now I'm just chucking blue everywhere. Like, these socks did not turn out. So right now I'm just going to add pink. Gonna add some pink to the thing. Hopefully, well, it said it was purple, but it ended up being pink, so whatever, this is what I got. And you know what, I just don't think tie-dye likes me, like, honestly. I really don't, because everything I wanted to do did not turn out, but it's looking nice, not gonna lie. So on the packaging it has the Air Forces everywhere, so why not rock the socks with the Air Forces? So let's rip out them fresh deckers. Let's go. Yes, with the Air Forces I can rock these. Like, without the Air Forces, yeah, no, you need to rock these with the Air Forces, honestly, because they look alright. Like, and the camera doesn't do the justice. Like, in person it actually doesn't look that bad. So yeah, I'll definitely rock them with the Air Forces, with tracksuit bottoms as well, not with jeans. With tracksuit bottoms. So yeah, they're with the Air Forces. I've come to the conclusion that yes, I need to practice on my tie-dye, and if I want to do tie-dye, I need to learn all the different ways to tie-dye as well, like, because like I said, I did this when I was bored. And yeah, it was just a fun little video. But yeah, I'm buying my clothes now. I think tie-dye, I'm getting it brought because these socks I love and these were brought. So I'm not doing them. Yeah, I might as well show you my tie-dye clothing because I got some bangers. I got some banger clothes. The terminology for all this different tie-dye, yeah. But, first up, you got this lavender jumper, innit? This one's from H&M. This is my favourite tie-dye jumper. But you know what happened? One day, yeah, I must have spilled a drink and my jumper has never been the same. My jumper has never been the same. I've washed it so many times and it still has this stupid mark on it. This crop jumper was from a street art / street dance event I went to. Oh my gosh, the battles there were so cool, like the dance battles, oh my. But I wanted to leave for something, so I brought this cropped pineapple jumper. Oh my gosh, it was just a need when I saw it. I'll link down below the IG. Barbie t-shirt dress, misguided. Oh my days, this is the best oversized top I have, or t-shirt dress I have. But I wear it to bed now because I wear it so much. Plus this also has a stain on it. Like, let me just slide through with this new addition to the tie-dye group. I got this for my birthday. I don't know where it's from, but this is a bop. So I can't wait to wear this out all the time. Everyone loves my Bershka hoodie. Honestly, this Powerpuff Girls tie-dye hoodie is just so comfortable. No one understands. But yes, it's from Bershka. And it's just really nice to sleep in as well. I sleep in this as well. This massive unicorn that Twinkle got me. Oh my days. It's called JB, by the way. But it's so nice. Oh, it is so cute. Oh my. And if you do not have literally a tie-dye bedsheet, like, what? Like, in the summer, this is a vibe. Like, the sun hits, yeah. It's so nice. Wondering why I have colour hair? It's honestly, it's like 4 plaits. And it's summer, why not neon it up? Because I love my neon colours, so I got a little bit of neon hair. A little bit of neon hair. No, basically, long story short, I wanted to use this colour, but I didn't know if I can get this colour again, so I kind of holded it out. But I had to put it in because it was going to go with my outfit. Thank you for watching Twinkle and Twizzy. Sorry you had to see that monstrosity of a really bad tie-dye. But I mean, this is the reality of it. So tune in next time to see what crazy, stupid stuff I do. But see ya.